Hey guys, this is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Meta stock. Guys, I'll be providing you an update on my trade as well that I talked about in my QQQ and SPY and Tech Stocks videos over the last week. And pretty much before even opening up these plays, I told you that these are the plays I'm looking at, and the next day as they execute at these levels, I'll take the positions. And you already know I already took this long position, and it's been a little bit of a roller coaster, but you know the plan is still working out. But yeah, I'll go over all of this, and we'll talk about also what you saw on the thumbnail of this video is Meta going from now $478 all the way up to back again to 531, the all-time highs. Is can it do it, right? So we'll take a look at all of that in the price action and the structure. So before everything else, guys, I want to let you know none of this is any financial advice, and it's only for education purposes. So I'm just only sharing my opinion. You are solely responsible for your own financial decisions and outcomes. Okay, so let's begin. Now, Meta. So let's start off with my this trade update real quick. And what this is, well, so as you know that this is where this candle that when it came, right? This little bit of not a hammer candle, but a wick up on the top, this particular candle that I'm talking about, right? And I talked about that, guys. So this was one of the short plays, made good money down here as well. You already know this if you have been following my videos. We started to form a pivot, and then I said that we may be going back to this rebound zone where this prior resistance was, right? This area, that's what I was talking about. We got all those rebounds right here. We got that. And then when we started to go lower from that rebound the first time, I mentioned that, guys, if this holds this level of 460 almost, then this is a pivot and this may go higher again as in the pivot, right? And what started to happen then? After that, this sell-off started to come. And so at this point, it came at a pivotal juncture, because now it's in the resisting twice that overhead resistance, but then we also have this neckline level of the pivot 460 with a 20 days moving average support from underneath. So this type of plays becomes a very impactful plays on either direction, because break on either side is the structure in that direction, and that means your stop loss could be very small and your reward potentials are way higher. And that's what I was talking about on this, like two trading days ago on this red candle, that, guys, this is the trade I would be taking if we keep holding 20 days moving average and we get above this level of 466. Where this level, well, where that came from, well, that came from my if I take it to the lower time frame, right? So these were the things that I was watching, that as if we continue to go higher above that this area, because this is where it was sort of, you know, this area you can see, right? This was the structure. Potentially, if it holds, this will stay to the upside. So you can see it wasn't that easy. It was a roller coaster for me, right? We dipped as well below. So I'll talk about all of that. So yes, the next particular day my trade was opened, right? And well, let's go to the hourly interval as well, just to show you something more here. Yeah, here we go. And also yeah, what I'm trying to show you is, I know this is not getting clear here, but this was also the part of the trend line, that as if it gets out and above it, then that was another reasoning to go into this play, right? This trend line has been from these previous pivots areas that has been coming down, right? So that was, I know it's not looking precise, but these will not be penny to penny precise. But anyways, you get my point. That was the structure to the both sides that I was watching, that as if it continues to hold 20 days moving average and goes above, right, then I want to take a long play. And then, however, if we lose this 20 days moving average and we break below the level of 460, then I will take the short play. So short play never triggered. And yeah, so long play, and then little bit I was able to still squeeze, well, still get out a little bit up here. But then rest I was just holding. Yes, I was in the drawdown, and then since the structure still held with those pivots, 20 days moving average. So yeah, and structure never turned bearish. So I just kept holding it, and yeah, so still in the money, still in the profit, right? So not worrying about anything to the short play now. So yes, structure is bullish on Meta. Now this brings me to, first of all, where I'm targeting. Guys, as you know, I like to take partial profits out. So I'll, size out at these areas. Not saying that it's gonna go right away to this 514. We'll talk about that in just a second, because I'm saying, can it go to 531, right? But we'll talk about that in just a second. But yeah, I'll take partial profits out so far. I'm going to keep this level right over here, because 50 days moving average is just an overhead resistance. But just to note, guys, we are in the bullish structure right now on Meta. All right. As long as, well, we hold above 20 days moving average at this point, and as we make our way higher, I'll talk about what other levels are also we are watching. Now, it's important that if Meta can get above this 485, this is a previous resistance zone here, also marked by my indicator. If you need access to my tools, links are in the description below. And we are also beneath 50 days moving average right now. So this area of 482 is very important for Meta to get out and above of. If we get out and above of 482 and 485, that easily opens up the door to 515. And then if, yeah, we can go there, I don't think anything is stopping Meta to test 531 as well. So if we can get out and above of 482 and 485, 531 can come again. So yes, it's not out of the picture, not out of the question, and that may happen. So things are looking on Meta on the bullish side. We have also recaptured an hour above 200 hours moving average on a strong candle break to the upside. So guys, it's full on right now. The structure is still bullish on Meta. So that's what I'm trading. All right. Oh, and guys, just one more thing before wrapping up. Why not I just show you my day trading bot as well on Meta? And in case if you are interested to join, if you want to have access to my bots, you can have access to them. Links are in the description below of this video. So yeah, so now I have also changed a couple of things on my day trading bot, and that is this can be applied across multiple intervals as well. So you can choose your favorite interval from a minute to 5 minutes. Actually, day trading works best in these intervals. So this is 5 minutes, interval. You can see good profitable trades, yeah, like data is over here. And then, as I was saying, you can do it in, let's say, some of you like to trade on a minute interval. On minute interval, it's more profitable as well. But again, you get my point, right? This can be applied across multiple intervals as well now. So yeah, it's in the money, and yeah, just want to share. If you are interested, links to access to my tools are in the description below of this video. I have 2 trading bots, 2 indicators, and Wall Street alerts. All right, guys, that was it. And with that, I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.